Hey Ryan, what's up? What we doing today, dude?
We're gonna build the computadora.
Oh yeah, dude. How many G's you popping on this one, Ryan?
1,500.
Damn, 1,500, huh? Okay. Let's go ahead and build this. Are we gonna build in the garage?
No, it's not that.
Oh, okay, cool. In the guest house?
Yeah.
Okay, dude. Let's do this. Finally get some additional content on this vlog stuff. Whew. Take a look at the parts here. Oh boy.
We have a Ryzen 7 3700X. We have the 2080 Super from EVGA the Black.
Black edition.
And then our NVMe SSD. 500 gig, and then a 2 terabyte hard drive for game library.
Nice.
16 gigs of RAM for storage. A nice motherboard.
Nice.
And then a 650 watt 80 plus gold power supply.
Yes. Nice.
So
And then
this is the NZXT. I think this is the H510. Yeah. So
okay.
compact.
Cool.
The tower comes with 2 fans in it.
Okay, awesome.
That's pretty much it.
And then that was your Asus VG248QE, right?
Yeah. 1080p, 144 hertz. I just brought an HDMI cable just because we just need a video out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I have a DisplayPort cable somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is my favorite part of building a computer.
As long as you don't short out the power supply. Okay.
Okay. Ready, Ryan? It's the magic touch. Okay.
We're all good.
Okay. Where is it? Power switch here. Magic! Ooh! Oh, don't worry about that. Give that a bit. Sometimes it spins. Yeah.
All right. So keys, it's spinning.
Yeah.
Are we getting fan spin on the GPU?
Yep.
All right. Let's turn on the monitor.
Let me know if you can.
We have a white LED there, and then we're going green.
Well, the green.
Oh, we got it.
Oh.
Asus Republic of Gamers.
Ooh.
I just got to smash up 12.
Okay. Cool.
Our Ryzen 7 3700X is detected. That's good. 3 keyboards. 16 gigs of RAM. Press Enter Dex.
Perfect. Now all we have to do is get the Windows 10 download.
Okay. yep. Yep, our ROG Strix, our motherboard. Let's enter setup. If it'll let me, press enter.
There you go.
There we are. So now we're in the BIOS.
Oh, 8-core processor, Ryan. Look at that.
Alright, we're running at 2133, that's fine. We should make sure everything's detected.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Windows 10, I mean, crystal clear inside. Very nice, very nice.
We need to take off eventually both these panels. Power supply and
Okay, well, first things first, let's take this side panel off. Ooh, it only has one little
only
thing.
one
That is
function,
nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Is it all the way off?
Yeah, it's all the way off. Oh, wait, huh? Okay.
Make sure it's all the way off.
Is this one of the ones where it's supposed to stay like loosened, or is it supposed to come all the way out?
You can pull it all the way out. You're
Oh, okay.
not supposed to pull it all the way out, but it's fine.
Okay.
And then lift it up. It's up and out.
Wow.
Out.
Yeah. Ooh, there you go. Careful, that's real glass there.
Yeah. I'm gonna go put it in our box. To make sure it's safe.
Yeah. Ooh. Look at that, nice clean insides.
Alright. You can see they've neatly done a lot of our power supply cables for us.
Wow, that's some nice clean cable in there. They did all that for us.
Yeah, they
nice.
have it all routed here. So if I pull this out, this has all our front panel audio, HDMI.
Yeah,
And then
nice.
here's our 2.5-inch drive. We'll need to mount one of the 2.5-inch drives here.
Yeah, it'll be easier.
And then the clips on the top. There should be we'll probably take out this sled right here actually. And then yeah, they've already pre-routed a lot of the cables for us. And the,
did it. This Ryan's new, what is it, $1,600 PC.
After tax, basically.
After tax, $1,600. A beast of a machine with a Ryzen 7 3800X 8-core CPU, an EVGA RTX 2080 Super Black Edition. Blacked out PC with a little touch of RGB right there for a little bit of customization. Ryan, congrats. How many months of work and paychecks did this take you to provide?
4 months.
4 months of saving. Okay. Wow. Wow. You gonna start streaming, Ryan, with this beast of a machine?
We'll see.
Okay, Ryan. Well, I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Congrats, Ryan. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. See you guys on the next one.